Good morning, everybody. So today we are doing some chicken grilling. As you can see there, that's the chicken, and we got vegetable, that is plantain. Yeah, we're gonna roast the plantain. Got corn, sweet potatoes. Yeah, cool. And asparagus. Yeah, so that's what we gotta do. We need to wrap this into the air foil, then we'll put it onto the grill. Alright, good. So first, let me check the fire. Yeah, it's ready. I'll put it in here. And I need to wrap the banana, or you call it the plantain, in the half foil. Nice to wrap it. One for I'll put it in. I don't need to wrap the acorn. Put it on there. Yeah, that is for the veggies, and then for the chicken. Chicken, as you see. Yeah, so we marinated yesterday, and I'm gonna roast it. Yeah, which is make it more easier. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in there to roast. As you can see, it's right there. Yeah. Pop it here. Yeah. Brilliant. And then before we do that, let's check. I'm going to chop the chicken. See there. So that cook easily. good. As you can see, chop it, and it's gonna cook perfect. So put it back. Put it back. And I'll do for this one too. Yep. Nice. Yep, the maize is almost done. You can see there, all cooked. Yeah, all done. Got it. Ouch. Hot. Okay. That's all done for the corn. Yeah. I'll leave the banana to cook for a bit, and then I'll take it out. Cool. Yeah, and the corn. It's so good. And here comes the chicken. Yep. Grilling so nice. Wow, so nice. It's amazing. So what I will do is I need to take the skin off like that. I need to peel the skin and I'll put it there to roast. That's it. Yeah. Easy to peel, guys. So easy. Yeah, that's how it is. And then it's gonna go here onto grill. There you go, guys. It's almost there. Yeah. So juicy. Almost done. Okay, it's all done. So I'm gonna take it away. Okay, I'll start with the corn. Yeah. As you can see, the corn is perfectly roasted. Yeah, it's so nice. Yeah, and then I'll go to the plantain. Yeah, the banana. Look at that. How amazing is that? Yeah, so good. And the veggies, asparagus. Yeah, it's all cooked too. I'll put on top. Good. That's Irish potatoes. It's all done.
Look how amazing is the chicken. Cook. So nice. Yeah. It's all cook. True. And it's perfectly roasted.
Yep. That's it. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.